Alright, so welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. Yes, we have Minati today. But basically we will be visiting some new restaurants today. But first we need to get some soup. But always see one little soup lady, right? We sell soup right at the gas station, so let's check her out. Yeah! Alright, so these are the sizes.
So the lady cooks a different soup every day, and today she had red peas soup. So I got my order and it's hot, served right out of the pot. I'm excited to taste the soup. Taxi man, people who work nearby, come and get them soup here.
So how long this has been here for?
June 14, I think it'll be 2 years.
2 years, people.
Hot. Yeah. We need super hot to bust the gas. So this is definitely a place you can come and stop and get some nice delicious soup. Jamaican soup. Yeah man.
Alright guys, so this new restaurant popped up in Mandeville and we're going to have a go. We're going to see what's going on. It's uptown. Yeah. So let's go. Sir. Oh, it smells really nice. Here's the menu. Hot dogs. Alright, so we get the food, guys. So let's see how. Wow, guys, this looks really good. As soon as you bust the box, me say the scent just hit you. Alright, so the baby gets applesauce. Let's go in for the leg. Right, big old massive leg. If the baby wants some. Alright, she don't want another. This is fried chicken. Tastes like the basic fried chicken. You know? Chicken. Whoa! Chicken!
Slow motion. I will just happen while I go.
Whoa! Okay, let's make. Not bad.
Alright, so we decide to go back to the restaurant another day to give them a second chance to wow us, because the food was just decent, but we want to see if we go early if we can get better quality.
We're going to give them a second try, okay? Let's go ahead and see if this food is better. We went closer to lunchtime, but we get 2 big pieces. So we got closer to lunchtime when the food fresh. I'm praying it tastes good. Let's go. So if you're on the town and you're hungry and the food and the restaurant is right there, it's a good option to get an average tasting box soup. But doesn't have the special you know, really have the special but you can't go on. You can't stop a gap, you can't fill your belly. Please stay tuned for more videos like this with my 2 daughters. See right? She's going to get some food right now. We're going to give her some food right now. You want food too? Alright, want to taste this chicken?